चाहिए क्या?
ये बंद हो, मैं अपना ये लगा।
नहीं तो वो क्यों, लेकिन हमें यही चाहिए। ओके, शुक्रिया।
मैं हूँ हेमा सरदेसाई और मैं खुद को बहुत सराहती हूँ क्योंकि एक सिंगर ही नहीं हूँ बल्कि मैं एक सोशल एक्टिविस्ट भी हूँ और पहले से हूँ और निस्वार्थ से काम किया है मैंने, कोई स्वार्थ ना रख के। और बहुत सारा काम हुआ है भगवान की दया से मेरे हाथ से। तो अगर ये अवार्ड मुझे दिया गया है तो आई थिंक आई रियली हम्बली डिज़र्व इट एंड आई एम थैंकफुल to Nandan Jhaji and his whole team, for thinking of me. Thank you so much.
अवार्ड की अगर बात की जाए, चेंज ऑफ चैंपियन का ये अवार्ड है, किस तरीके से देखती हैं आप इस अवार्ड को? काफ़ी चेंज भी आया है सोसाइटी में, लोग काफ़ी मदद के लिए भी आगे आए हैं इस लॉकडाउन की अगर बात हो, तो उस पर क्या आपकी राय है?
नहीं, मेरी राय बिल्कुल ऐसी है कि जब आप किसी मकाम पे पहुंचते हो और लोग आपको बहुत सराहते हैं, तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए सोसाइटी के लिए, आपने कितना योगदान करना चाहिए। और ये चीज़ जो है वो आप बड़े हों या छोटे हों, ये तो अपने खून में ही होता है। तो पहले से स्कूल से कॉलेज से मैं जानी जाती हूँ एज अ सोशल एक्टिविस्ट, तो वही हूँ और इसी के लिए जी रही हूँ कि समाज सेवा कर सकूँ, देश की सेवा कर सकूँ और हमारी सारी जनता की सेवा कर सकूँ।
और लोगों को क्या इंकरेज करना चाहेंगी, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे उनको?
लिविंग फॉर मेरे गुरुदेव श्री श्री रविशंकर जी हैं, हिज होलीनेस ऑलवेज सेज कि आप समाज के लिए जियो, दूसरों के लिए जियो, अपने खुद के लिए जीना बड़ी बात नहीं है, दूसरों के लिए, दूसरों के काम आना यही बड़ी बात है। और इसी के लिए मैं जी रही हूँ, दूसरों के काम आने के लिए, दूसरों को इस दुनिया में और भी स्माइल्स लाने के लिए।
His Excellency, the Governor of Maharashtra, Sri Kushyaji, Mr. Nandan Jha, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. The function to remember the champions of change in the society and to welcome them, then give our good wishes and to encourage them to do further contribution to the society. They are all individual in this big country. They have made great contribution, which we may not know at all, but their vision, their activities, their encouragement, their incentive given to others, these are all very, very important in the society, that make others to work hard and to lead a beneficial path in the society. This is very important in a country like India, because there are a large number of people, there are different communities, different societies, different clubs, different NGOs, so many. But who should work for the betterment of the society in the right path? That Mr. Nandan Jha and his colleagues are searching for the champions of change who make what they contribute to the society. And I have been attending this function since a few years because of the present situation, the pandemic situation. We were not able to organize the function last year in a very, very important way, but nevertheless we held a conference last year also. Late Mukherjee also was present, other distinguished guests were present. So we are encouraging people to make changes in the society in various fields. because the life is sometimes for some people are miserable. Some people there is penury, there is absence of employment opportunities, absence of various difficulties by ill health and other things. To help them and to make them, bring them to the forefront of our society and remove the difficulties. The constitutional vision enumerated in our constitution should be fulfilled. In our constitution, there is Article 38 and 39. There is the equitable wealth of the country should be distributed for the people of this country in the right way. Equality of opportunity should be there. Equality of fraternity should be brought up. All these are very, very important vision. But the people are not that educated or that motivated to give motivation, to give them skill, give them improve their life mission. Then there will be a change in the society. That is what Mr. Nandacha and his colleagues are trying to encourage people to do it. We find them. It is a very difficult job to find who are really doing the right service to the society. There are different kinds of people. There are some people are masquerading as champions. There are some people who are trying to steal the wealth of others. There are people who come as savior, but they create difficulties in your life. But there are few people. They are to be spotted and to be encouraged. That is the duty of our society, to help them and to encourage them. He is doing his work in collaboration with all. The country is improving. Despite all the difficulties, the economic difficulties, this pandemic situation, country is progressing in various fields. That is to be had and should be brought to the forefront of the society and brought to the common people. Common people should enjoy the benefits of the fruits of this country. That is the distribution of the equal wealth of the country. That is enumerated in Article 39 of the Constitution, the directive principles of state policy. That is to be followed. And the champions of society is doing a small contribution in that direction. And I am happy that this function is being attended by well-meaning, very important dignitaries and our distinguished governors and taken them to attend the function. So I am deeply moved by the efforts and the encouragement given by all of you. Thank you very much. We will continue to do all these efforts so that the champions of the society, champions of the humanity, in fact, they are really encouraged by at least a group of people. Thank you.